Yeah, let me talk to you. So I bought this a 3D printed bat signal because I did I did miss out on the Batman six pack, which came with a bat signal, but now I got my own, a 3D printed one from 3D printed keepsakes. Description. Oh, their link in the description if you want one. So this is 3D printed gray plastic. Comes with an LED which can be connected by a USB to power it up. Also comes with this transparent plastic. It also comes with one, two, three, and four Batman or Bat insignia or logo, which can be inserted here. So you could choose which logo you're gonna put on your bat signal. Oh, it's 5, sorry, not 4. Now let's test this. So we're gonna choose this first. So this is the cover. You have to put the transparent plastic between the cover and the light, and there. Now to insert the shut off the lights. Not bad. Not bad. Now let's check out the other insignias. Not bad. Let's try the other ones. So this is the Christian Bale Batman. Yeah. You just have to adjust. Pop it off. So this is the Dark Knight Returns one. Awesome. Yeah, I like it. So 3D printed bat signal from 3D printed keepsake. So their link will be in the description. This is not a paid advertising or whatever. I mean, I just like their products, and I often buy from them for our accessories. So also the base of the bat signal do turn. Which is awesome. And this is the USB cable for power source. So this also comes up and down and do rotate. So yeah, there you go, a 3D printed bat signal. So I hope you enjoyed our video as much as we enjoyed making them. So please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.